Imagine raising your children with love and care, only to find them growing distant as they become adults. Their calls become less frequent, their visits rare, and their attention fades. You're left wondering, what happened? Why this silence? If this resonates with you, you're not alone. Many parents face this heart-wrenching reality, but there is hope, and there are ways to heal. The pain of being neglected by your own children is profound. It's not just about the missed calls or empty chairs at family gatherings. It's the feeling of being invisible, unimportant, and forgotten by those you once held dear. This silent heartache can lead to feelings of worthlessness and deep sadness. Before we can heal, it's essential to understand why this neglect occurs. It might stem from their busy lives, personal struggles, or even unresolved issues from the past. Recognizing these reasons can help in processing the pain and finding a path forward. It's okay to feel hurt, angry, or confused. These emotions are valid. Suppressing them only prolongs the healing process. Allow yourself to grieve the relationship you once had and the connection you now miss. Consider initiating a conversation with your children. Express your feelings without blame. Use I statements like, "I feel lonely when we don't talk," to open the door to understanding. Approach the conversation with empathy and a willingness to listen. While it's important to reconnect, it's equally crucial to set healthy boundaries. Don't allow yourself to be mistreated or taken for granted. Establishing boundaries protects your emotional well-being and fosters mutual respect. You are not alone in this journey. Seek support from friends, support groups, or a therapist. Sharing your experiences can provide comfort and perspective. Sometimes, just knowing others understand can be incredibly healing. Focus on activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby, exercise, or spending time in nature, self-care is vital. Taking care of yourself enhances your resilience and emotional strength. Rebuilding a relationship takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and your children. Small gestures, like sending a thoughtful message or sharing a memory, can reignite the connection. Remember, healing is a gradual process. Release unrealistic expectations. Understand that your children may not be able to meet all your emotional needs. Accepting this can lead to a healthier, more balanced relationship. Redirect your energy towards new passions or goals. Whether it's learning something new, volunteering, or traveling, finding purpose outside the relationship can be empowering. This shift can bring a sense of fulfillment and joy. Forgiveness isn't about excusing their behavior. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of resentment. Letting go of grudges can lead to inner peace and pave the way for healing. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories. Whether it's a positive conversation or a shared moment, these are steps towards healing. Recognizing progress, no matter how small, boosts morale and encourages continued effort. Rediscover who you are outside of your role as a parent. Engage in activities that reflect your interests and passions. This self-rediscovery can lead to greater self-esteem and happiness. If feelings of neglect persist, consider seeking professional help. A therapist can provide tools and strategies to cope with complex emotions. Professional guidance can offer a fresh perspective and aid in healing. While your relationship with your children is important, don't neglect other relationships. Build connections with friends, neighbors, or community members. These relationships can provide support and enrich your life. Focus on the positive aspects of your life. Practicing gratitude can shift your mindset and improve emotional well-being. Regularly acknowledging what you're thankful for can lead to greater happiness. Be open to change and growth. Relationships evolve, and so do individuals. Embrace the journey of transformation and the opportunities it brings. Set new personal goals. Whether it's traveling, learning a new skill, or writing a book, having goals gives you direction and purpose. Achieving these goals can bring a sense of accomplishment. Take time to reflect on your journey. Recognize how far you've come and the strength you've shown. This reflection can provide insight and appreciation for your resilience. Remember, healing is a personal journey. Be kind to yourself, seek support when needed, and know that you have the strength to overcome this. You are not alone, and brighter days are ahead.